Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, welcome back again, guys. I hope you all are in good spirits. Anyway, there's something I want to talk about, and I can't just look on the screen because this lady we call herself Venetia Phillips, we used to in at the PNP, my viewers and subscribers, we move over to the JLP. You wanna remember this a woman here always on Twitter telling lies on Mark Golding and spreading propaganda. It look like them a PR. It look like she's getting paid. It looks like, me not say she get paid, I said it looks like, because to the rate how she a gone. To the rate how she a gone, my viewers and subscribers, maybe this woman I get paid. Because this woman every single day, she's on Twitter, yeah, lying on Mark Golding. Mark Golding need to put a stop to her. She need to stop it. Mark Golding need to put a stop into this woman because she's a traitor. She betrayed the PNP party, which we all know that she was an undercover JLP working in the PNP party. Because remember, she said she has been engaging with the JLP for over 2 years. You can't imagine that? She in a PNP party and she engaged with JLP over 2 years before she moved over. So what kind of person is she? She is a traitor. Mark Golding is right. According to Mark Golding, Mark Golding said she's a traitor. And she's a traitor, my viewers and subscribers. I agree with Mark Golding. This woman tells so much lies, the amount of lies, because me dey on Twitter, you understand? And the things that she put up, she lie, she has spread propaganda, she confuse our followers them, she's telling them lies. She'll tell them, say, no, go so about the 16th. Pure lie she tell. You understand? This woman, listen what she write. She write, epic. I just heard that Master Mark is not in the best of spirits for the last 3 weeks. Laughing out loud when I asked why. Laughing out loud. The CDE said his credibility has taken serious blows. They are working on reprofiling him. You see, this a woman here I tell lie for Mark Golding. She wicked. Venetia Phillips. She's a wicked individual. Remember the youth then release voice note, come out and talk about her, So she evil, my viewers and subscribers. This a girl that tell lies on Mark Golding, like for fun. You see what she write, laughing out loud, because she knows a lie she tell. She knows a pure lie she tell. Mark Golding, they need to put a stop to her. She need to stop it. You understand? Remember, she call herself, them say them a candidate, them say them a MP. You understand? Them say them are MP. This is why Mark Golding need to put a stop to it. This woman is on Twitter tweeting lots of lies about the opposition leader. I'm like, what the hell? I'm so shocked. Why would you say such a thing? Why would you say such a thing about Mark Golding? When Mark Golding credibility is so on point. Why would you lie? Mark Golding not under no investigation. Mark Golding file clean. You understand? Check anyone at the government body. They will tell you it is all there. Integrity Commission come out and said that and said good about Mark Golding. Why are you guys lying? Talk about your prime minister, girl. Venetia, talk about Andrew Holness. We're under investigation. We breach the law. You understand? We have taxpayer money. I do all kind of things. I use taxpayer money and I pay the whole of the MP them. Talk about that, girl. You come out and tell lie about Mark Golding. How dare you? Who the hell you think you is? Who the hell you think you is, Venetia? Why you doing that? Why you doing that? All in the name of politics. You try to discredit, but I tell you, you can't discredit Mark Golding. You can't discredit Mark Golding. Mark Golding is an honorable man. Girl, remember say you will switch, and things say the whole of your people, they are going to follow you, And see, you never win. My wisdom warriors, me don't know what Venetia hear about. Me did have to come out and address it. You know why? She has been doing the most and telling the most lies. Can you imagine that? Telling the most lies for Mark Golding. If me for showing you some things. But what me I go do, I go use my platform in the community. I'm going to post some things which she always put up. Yeah? Maybe me post it, maybe not. You understand? Because this woman tell pure lies. This is what she do. I spread propaganda for Mark Golding. And that me tell about them. Me tell you say, the whole of the activists them. Yeah, PNP activists, we call themselves activists, that was activists, and who used to work in a PNP, they get so bitter because they can't have their way. So they get bitter and start talk a bag of things and tell pure lies. Pure lie then tell for Mark Golding. When Mark Golding don't do nothing, how can you talk about CE? Top tell lie, girl. Talk about Andrew Holness. We're under investigation and put out a gag order because you don't want nobody knows saying thief up taxpayer money. And that if you go chat about, girl. But you know easy. When I come contact, how go pan you too? Look pan you, girl. Look pan you. Who the hell you think you is? I can't go on like you want to discredit people. Who the hell you think you is? But you know not easy. On the bright and out of order, stop tell lie pan Mark Golding. Mark Golding is a man of integrity. Mark Golding no mix up. In a mix up in a corruption. You a corruption. That's why you're going over Andrew Holness. Uno not easy. The whole of una corruption. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think about this and put on an opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Councillors clash over structuring of committees. A departure from convention in the establishment of committees at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation triggered a heated debate during its general meeting on Tuesday. The disagreement resulted in 15 Jamaica Labour Party councillors abstaining from the vote to pass a resolution for the appointment of the committees. My wisdom warriors, I do not blame Mr. Swaby. Mr. Swaby, you do the right thing. We no want get involved. Look how much things you do. Okay, so no want get involved because problem. Listen, Mr. Swaby, you did the right thing. You did the right thing, sir. Yes, man. Abstaining them from vote to pass. Yes, they not forget involved in nothing because they can't be trusted. They cannot be trusted. 15 members are fired. They shouldn't get fired. They're lucky. See, I do they couldn't get for do something. A fire they shouldn't get fired, my viewers and subscribers. My wisdom warriors. Now when me looking at the article claims that them have questions to ask Mr. Swaby too. Me telling about these articles, you can know when them are work with Andrew Holness. When they come out and question Andrew Holness about not declaring the asset, you know, say nobody will come out and ask them the important question there. Yeah? But true because Mr. Swaby stop them from doing certain things, it will cause the whole problem. Wanna hear this here? The PNP has the chairmanship of the council and therefore runs the local government because it won the popular vote in the municipality. Apparently, Mr. Swaby is attempting to make that control count in how he structures its committees. So wait now, my viewers and subscribers. If a man structure the way how he want, remember he's the mayor, you know. And if he must structure it, the deputy mayor, which was the former mayor, shouldn't have a problem with it. You understand? Because from him at the mayor, and him explain something. Me not understand what the problem or what the Delroy Williams, from what he ain't just a get up and just a stand up and just a cause peer problem. That's all Feda do. When he's supposed to run out for the Jamaican people, we not see Feda. We not see Feda. Delroy Williams, we not see you. So how comes after a sudden through the thing? Remember, you're not the mayor anymore. Delroy Williams, you're not the mayor anymore. Get that in your big thick head. You are not the mayor anymore. You understand? When you were the mayor, you do as you like, you do as you please, and nobody never said nothing to you. Nobody never said nothing to you. So now, Mr. Swaby, the new mayor, come out and structure the committee how he wants. Why is it a problem? Remember, you're the deputy mayor. So why you fight against the mayor? Me telling about you. Me telling about you're not a good man. You feather. You understand? Why you cause problem now? Why you cause problem? Me telling you so what the article for put out, they now put out. And hear them now, them want ask questions too. Hear this here. So my wisdom warrior, the article, the gleaner say, them have question too for Mr. Andrew Swaby about how the new leadership of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is going about the configuration of its committees. Listen to this, my wisdom warrior, what some people now understand. Remember, Delroy Williams used to be the mayor. He's not the mayor anymore. Remember, say a whole heap of fault. Remember, say only per fault the new mayor fine right now, Like, me give one an example, like the 88 million overspent on salaries where they can give account for. Remember that one. So if the man wants structure in committee, he have all right to do that. You know why? Because he not trust them. He have all right to do that, my viewers and subscribers. Nothing wrong with that. So what he want do? He want Mr. Swaby now for just continue with the whole of them committee. No. Mr. Swaby, do the right thing, sir, which I know that is what you're doing. So I don't know what Delroy keep up a fuss for. Delroy, you need to go sit down. You need to go sit down. Come in and know what happened to you, I do not know what happened to you these days. According to the Gleaner, they are, however, not the same ones as Delroy Williams, the former mayor of Kingston, and now Mr. Swaby's deputy as chairman of the council. Our concern is whether Mr. Swaby and his People's National Party are intending, as is allowed by the law, to broaden the membership of the committees to include non-elected persons who have expertise that may be of value to the work of the councils. Nothing wrong with that. If you want to broaden, if you want to broaden it, nothing wrong with that, my viewers and subscribers. He is the mayor and he is doing the right thing. And if you want to get expertise, my wisdom warriors, that is not elected. Nothing wrong with that either. Because as far as me know, a whole heap of unqualified worker, unqualified candidate in a Jamaica Labour Party cabinet, you need to talk about that. Delroy, that if you need to come out and talk about. You understand me? You and Venetia Phillips, that you need to come and address. There is a whole heap of unqualified people in a phone cabinet. You get me? So if the man want to broaden it, allow him to broaden it. Delroy Williams, when you was a mayor, nobody never there in your backside neck. Nobody never there in your neck. And look how much money overpay in a salary. So uno say overpay. We all know say not overpay that. We all know say that not overpay. A thief on the thief people their money. We are not idiots. We know so that I don't know overpay because there's no way you're going to make mistake and overpay $88 million. So this is the reason why the mayor is doing what he's supposed to do. Leave the man alone, Delroy. Because as I said, when you was a mayor, nobody never sit down and stand up in your neck. You understand me? After a sudden, you're just there all over social media. You need to go one side. The problem is, true, because you know so you have things to hide. And you know so the mayor find out. Because the mayor is doing the right thing. So you try everything in our power to stop him. But your plan not going to work. Your plan is not going to work. Me tell you from now. It's not going to work. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and how you feel about this and put honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this one here because the one here act like a fire. Babsy Grange and Fix Jackson have it out in a parliament and not normal. Hear this.
Mr. Speaker, on a point of order, the member and I did have a discussion and I indicated that we will be doing the courtesies when the leader of the House and the Speaker are present. He asked for to indicate when. I told him I'd do so before the end of this sitting. And that's the understanding we have.
If I may, Mr. Speaker, The comments by the acting House Leader is correct, but it is inadequate. It is inadequate and it is unacceptable. Mr. Speaker, I said it to her. I said it to her in our discussion, and I asked her to convey some definitive decision, and she has failed to do that.
I did so, and you got up and accused me of lying. I did not, I did tell you that. No, just a moment. Just, Mr. Speaker, I'm not finished, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the member said, and we can check answered, he did not say that I indicated that I would tell him by or before the end of the sitting.
Point of order. Number one, I did not say that the member was lying. What I did say, which I repeat, what I will repeat what I did say. I will repeat what I did say. I will repeat what I said. Mr. Speaker, will you allow me? The House Leader is disrupting me. I'm not going to speak with the disruption, Mr. Speaker.
My wisdom warriors, on a year Babs Grange. On a year where Babs Grange say, Babs Grange, she is the one telling the lie. She has said fix Jackson, never indicate. He did acknowledge what she said. He said what she said is correct, but it is inadequate. That is what he said. So what tell the lie? Babs Grange, come on. You come like you lose your mind. You lose your mind. The man never call a liar. The man never say a lie. The man agree with you. The man say he did have the conversation with you for true. And what he said and everything what happened was correct, but it is inadequate. So who is telling the lie here? It's you, Babs Grange. You are the one telling the lie, not Fix Jackson. Fix Jackson and tell no lie upon you, madam. Come on. How to stay so? Me say the Jamaican Labour Party, they lie, you see? Me say, uno come closer. Me say, they lie. Me say, Andrew train them good, you know? Andrew train them good. Me can't believe Babs Grange say, the man say a lie. Babs Grange is so wicked. The man never said that. The man say, yes, that is correct. He have the conversation with you for true. But it was inadequate. And that the man say, uno terribly, you know? Uno terrible bad. You see, these are the things. The G2000 needs to come out and Venetia needs to come out and highlight these things. These are the things Jamaica Labour Party needs to come highlight. The time when them go around and I tell lie on the PNP and I spread propaganda. You understand? Me telling you something. You see, me pick sense out of nonsense. You understand? Me pick sense out of nonsense. Because they're telling so much lies. And me have to address it. Because me know see a lie, me see a lie. Because me have evidence. You cannot tell lie. Like how Venetia come out and I tell lie. You understand? See Babs Granger, I try another lie. Like appear that you don't do. You have to stop it, man. You have to stop it. It is unacceptable. You sit down in a House of Parliament and tell lie. And the man did it, you know, and he knows say a lie. Babs Granger telling you, pan Fix Jackson. Why you not different? You not different. Me don't know when this is going to end, my wisdom warriors. I do not know when this is going to end. Only when the whole of them lift up. Only when the whole of them lift up. That's the only time it will end. Too much lies. This is why they do not want to sign the code of conduct. This is a perfect example of how Babs Grange just stand up and tell a big fat lie in front of the nation. Pan Fix Jackson. You understand? And said Fix Jackson I tell lie pan her. When the man just stand up and explain. And you have the House representative, the House speaker. Him know say a lie Babs Grange tell. Him know. You understand? But I saw them like for throw people underneath the bus. Only an idiot who no realize say a Babs Grange the liar. My viewers and subscribers, only tell me one thing. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.
But you have no such obligation.
You started your question by saying in light of growing public outrage.